You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy. If you look at the right hand of the screen, you see a question, and we're told to draw the orthographic view of this question. Now, the first thing you have to do when you hear the word orthographic projection is for you to draw your orthographic axis in form of a quadrant, which is the y and what? And the x-axis. So where the y and the x-axis meet, the point of origin, you measure 5 millimeter up, 5 millimeter down, or 10 millimeter up, 10 millimeter down. Similarly, you do the same thing along the x-axis, 5 millimeter to the right, 5 millimeter to the left, or you use 10 millimeter. The choice is yours. So when you done that, you just draw a line across this point and you having this shape here. Now the next thing you now do is the question says we should draw the orthographic projection looking it from this direction here, from here. Now the question is, when we look from this direction here, what are we going to see, right? But if I were you, the first thing I am going to do before doing anything is that I will take the entire length of the figure, which is given to be 72, right? It's given to be what? 74. So you're going to measure 74 on your meter rule, and you place it at this point here, from this point of origin here, or use your meter rule. So this is where 74 is. Can you see that? And you take the entire height, which is given to be 50, that is 57. Place it at this point here. You're going to draw it this way. Can you see that? And you can easily close it up. You can easily close it up. From here, right? You close it up from here and also from here. So this is a plane we're actually working with. Now when you look from this side, what will you see? I will see from here to here, all these sides here, you'll be seeing this curve like a straight line. And what is the distance from here to here? The distance from here to here is given to be what? 12. You measure 12 on your meter rule, and you place it at any of this baseline here, and you mark. So what you're going to do is you will draw a line this way. So what I'm doing, I'll start with faint line first. Can you see that? Now the next thing I'm going to do here, just like I'll place it at the end of this figure here, take it to the center of this curve here. Can you see that? And I'll place it here and I'll mark. I'll come here also. I'm going to mark. And I'll mark here too. This way. Hope you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to take my meter rule and draw a vertical line from here, which will be in form of a center line. Long, short, long, short, long. Can you see that? And where the center line actually hits this here, that is when I will now draw a semicircle this way. Hope you can see that. And I'll bring this will come from here, will come straight down to touch here. And this will come from here, will come straight down to touch here. Hope you can see that. And I'm now taking the entire base here this way. And also from here too, I'm taking it too this way. Right? I'll even close here down. So after that, I'll also do my center line here too. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long. Then after that, we have this from this direction here. You can see that. So I'm going to draw it, but it will be tangential to that point since we're not giving any known um, angle. So I'll draw a line tangential from this point. Then I'll be hitting here straight. So it should just be one single line, right? Because this will be blocking this if you're looking at it from the side. Now aside from that, I'll close it up. Is that okay? So this is what we have, and we have a circle. There's a circle at the center here, which the radius is what? 6, because diameter is 12, as you can see from your diagram. So I'll just come and place it here. And I'm going to draw this way. That is one. Now, aside that, this is the elevation of this figure looking at it from this side, because you'll be seeing this curve here, which is this curve. You're seeing this circle in form of ellipse, which is this circle here. You're seeing this distance from here to here, which is from here to here. You're seeing this curve as a straight line. Similarly, from here to here, which is from here to here. Then this line you see here, the web, is this that we have here. All together. And this space you see here is this space here. So this is the elevation of this figure here. Now, the next thing is the plan. At the end of this video, I will show you how to draw what it means to draw in first angle and also in third angle projection. Now, from here, I will now project this downward because I want to draw the plan. And it's already there. And the plan is looking in from the top. Remember, the plan and the elevation share the same length. Are we good? So I'll just simply draw a straight line this way. Can you see that? And what is the thickness of the plan? If the plan is plan looking from the top, if from here to here is from here to here, which is from here to here, automatically the other part will be from here to here, which is 50. So I'll place it here at the baseline here, and I'll mark 50. So this is where you take your measurement from, not here, right? So let me dim this off. So I'm going to close that this way. Front line first, just like I did the previous one. Front line first. Now, looking in from the top, you'll be seeing, let me just project this down here this way. This line you see, you'll be seeing this circle, this curve here, and the other curve here as a straight line all together. So if I'm drawing this will be a straight curve this way. Then this circle will be in form of what? Hidden line. You're looking at it from the top, because the circle is going through. You cannot see this from the top, so use a hidden line. Similarly here, thickness. Now you see that. Then the center line. Long, short, long, short, long. Out there. Then the other part too, you've seen it as a straight line. So what I'll simply do is, from here to here is 8, right? So I'll measure the 8 from here to here, and I'll place it here. This is my 8 here. So from that point, I'm going to draw a straight line that will actually be going in from here. That will actually be going in from here. This point here. That is where the line will stop. So I'll just draw it from here, and I'll stop here. Right? Then the remaining one will be coming from here to this point. That is the remaining one here. From here to here, from here to here is from the beginning here to the ending. You will see your inclined line as a straight line out there. Now, similarly, we have the radius of what? Of 12 here. So what I'll simply do, I'll measure 12 on my meter rule, right? Measure 12. Now I know from here that from here to here is given to be 12. Alright? So measure 12 on your meter rule. Place it at this point here. To draw the fillet, you mark here and you also mark here. You come here where you marked, place it here, you strike an arc. You place it here and you also what? Strike another arc. So where they meet, you now draw your fillet. Hope you can see that. And I will now close it up from here, straight down to this point, and also from here, straight down to this point. So this is the fillet here. You cannot see the base, the line down here because this is covering this. Similarly, you cannot see anything down here, be seen as just one dimension. So orthographic view is a one-dimensional view. Is that taken? So we're looking at this dimension. So we are going to represent the three dimension on this plane. Now, what you need to understand is, if you are drawing a first angle projection, this is where the elevation will be. This is where the plan will be. But if it is in third angle projection, this is where the elevation will be, and this is where the plan will be. That means you will interchange them. Is that taken now? So viewers, if you know you are finding this video helpful, please don't forget to click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Now we'll proceed. Now the next thing we want to do is the end view, looking at it from the side. If this is the elevation, automatically this will be the plan and this will be the end view. If this is the elevation, here will be the end view. The plan doesn't change. The plan will always remain the plan. So I'll come here and I'm going to draw a line of 45 degrees from this point. Right? So after I have done that, I'm going to come here and I'll project it this way. So what I'll just do is I'll take this to this point and I'll take it up so that I'll be able to draw my vertical line up, because the height of the plan, which is the width, is the length of what? Of the end view. Now if I should do what I'm doing, remember that you're looking at it from this side. So all these points you see at the top here will be thick line here to here. I'll thicken it, and here to here I'll thicken it, because you'll be seeing these two sides here, looking at it from here. This curve you'll be seeing as a straight line because you're looking at it perpendicularly. Now the same thing is, if I project here this way, stopping here, that means here will be going up. So from this point I'll take it up straight, and from this point here I'll take it up straight, because you'll be seeing this curve you see here as a straight line. This inclined line you see it more like what? A straight line. Now that is not the end. Similarly, you'll be seeing this curve here too as a straight line because you're looking perpendicularly. So from here to I'm going to draw a vertical line, straight one here. From here, straight up. Can you see that? And the next thing we're going to do here, this line here is blocking this. The next thing we're going to do is the circle. So I'm going to use hidden line to represent it. That there's a hole going through. So I'm using short dashes. That is what is called the hidden line. And I'm using short dashes. That is what is called the hidden line. Then I'll just use my center line to represent it: long, short, long, short, long. Can you see that? And I'll close the top. The up here also be closed, because this you will see that a straight line. Am I communicating? So this is the end view, looking at it from the front here. All this part you see here is all this part. This side you see here is this side here. This circle going through this figure is what we show hidden line. So this is what we have. You should not forget to dimension. Are we good? Just like in your question, you know, So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.